In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the Four Corners tool. Four Corners is possibly one of my favorite go-to tools for anything from a short 3-5 minute walkthrough to a extended 45-minute observation. The Four Corners tool is based off on the idea of a narrative verbatim. However, you have four corners and therefore four themes of notes that you can take. Now when you open up the Four Corners tool, of course, the first thing that you're going to do is select a teacher, which is going to propagate an email. And then you're going to make some decisions about what it is that you would like to observe or write notes on regarding the observations that you're seeing. This can change, of course, for every teacher and for the purpose of the walkthrough or the observation. When you first enter Four Corners, there is the four corner narratives are defaulted to specific themes, and that of course can be customized. But I can quickly pull down any one of these corners and change this corner to be, let's say, classroom dialogue instead of its original default. I can change student engagement to classroom rapport, and now be taking four narrative notes on these four corners. Each comment box does have its own timestamp, and so I can create timestamps to reflect the time in the lesson that I took the note. Now, what the power of Four Corners is really within the customization. Well, let's take a look at that by clicking on the wrench, or of course through the config menu through the iWalk Observation main menu. The first thing I always have on any of my configuration menus is the email introduction. And that can be changed and altered to suit your needs. And then below this I have two other sections. The first one is a box that allows me to add as many labels as I would like as options to my four corner narratives. And then over here I have four individual labels. These will be my default labels. So every time I open up Four Corners, I know that the four corners are going to default to these four things. But I also know that I can pull down that pull-down list and I can change them to any of these. And again, I can add as many of these as I would like. Returning back to Four Corners, again I would begin to take notes on the four themes. And once I've set the four corners, I don't want to change them. As once the corners are set, they are set for the observation. Take notes on my four themes, and anytime I can preview my email that will be sent, which of course will have the email introduction and the four corner themes with my four observation narratives below them. Any signature options that I have chosen will of course be at the end of that email. This is a quick look at Four Corners. If you need any other support, please don't hesitate to email me at kevinc@iwalkobservation.com.